Clearbrook, North Dallas, 23 Carrera S, excuse me, with the Xpel's Fusion film, the paint protection film that has the ceramic in it, the 4-year ceramic. The film is guaranteed for 10. The Fusion that is on top of the paint protection film up here is a 4-year guarantee. Simply when the Fusion or the ceramic starts to dissipate, you still have your protection. You just add another layer of ceramic and you'll still have a ceramic surface. So moving forward, let's take a look at what we got here. Starting with the emblem like always, fully wrapped in. So nothing gets trimmed out here. We still see that today, which is crazy. All this wrapped in. So it's a white car, just like black, blue, whatever, but white. You want to make sure everything's wrapped in because you will have dirt lines wherever there's a line. So everything in this front end is wrapped as I'm showing you. There's no lines from the paint protection film out here. Everything is wrapped around this back side. Coming inside this bezel, all in one piece. Some people will seam it here. Excuse me, not necessary. If you know what you're doing, it goes in one full section, all wrapped in, all wrapped in. Fuel port, fully wrapped in. Guaranteed, not coming up, trust me. All good to go. The GTS over there and the GT3 way over there, same exact system, all full wraps. You don't even know the film's on the car. This is what you want when you spend over 125 grand. You got a $200,000 GT3, you got a $150,000 GTS, and you got about $130,000, $140,000 Carrera. So you want these cars to maintain their shape for the future when you sell it. Nobody wants to, well, they do, but they prefer if the car was in the best shape possible. I call it a historical responsibility. So take care of your car, and take care of you, especially cars like this. But moving forward, you'll see on the mirrors here, no lines at all. Everything is fully wrapped in, no seam here. Usually there's a seam, nothing. Everything is fully wrapped. See a little adjustment there I need to make. Everything's under the moldings here, so there's no line there. So far there's not going to be any dirt lines on this entire front end. Coming around this way, all the handles are wrapped in, so there's no line even on top of here. There's no lines coming around. I mean, this car, when I get a white car, I really make sure that we get everything the way we need it. Lights were removed, put back in place. No lines at all. The spoiler was lifted, no lines at all. The rear hatch here where the top goes in, fully wrapped in. Carrera S removed and replaced, so no lines at all around that. This piece was taken off as well, so there's no cutout marks here from the plotter. This was removed as well, so everything's done perfect on this car. When you get your wrap, that's what you want. There's not enough people out there that really want to do that. So this is what we do for this gentleman, Kurt, great guy. And it's going to be fantastic. He'll rinse his car off. He'll never drive it in the rain or the mud, obviously, and it'll just be a rinse. Wipe it off. It's fully ceramic coated, fully paint protection. If it gets scuffed by any towels, self-heals. Rock protection, if it gets hit by any rocks. Obviously, if it gets hit by a good-sized rock, it could damage the film, but generally it's really rare that it punches through to the paint, but it can. So that Lexus over here is going on its 2nd year fully wrapped, and there's just nothing wrong with it. There's a mark on this car. The hood is fully perfect. So there's not a mark on it. Sienna, doing the Sienna, pretty much the full car, but all the way back to the quarters. These two over here, fully wrapped, getting ready to go. The GTS and the GT3 is always here. So, and again, everything is perfect. So I just want to tell you, we do these cars, whether it's a Sienna, a Lexus, a Porsche, a Ferrari, everything gets the best treatment possible. Deconned, fully washed, obviously, fully ceramic coated. That's the only way to do it. We take time we need. If it's an extra day or two, it shouldn't bother you. Don't rush your installer. Don't rush your mechanics, anybody. Let them take the time they need to make your car right, whether it's this, a Kia, Porsche, whatever, because it pays. This car Guy's going to love it, just like all the rest of them. So moving into December 1st here, coming into the 2nd. Actually, we're in the 2nd. It's 3:30 in the morning. Getting close to Christmas. This month, I will actually going to take some time off. So anybody looking to come in and get some stuff done by me, I'm Brent. Haven't taken any time off in 11 years. It's time because I'm tired. So I'll be gone a couple weeks in December. Albert will be available. So you're looking for anything, I'll still be available by phone, but we'll get you scheduled. They're still taking spots in December because I'm going to be in and out. But much needed rest, and we appreciate all our customers that come to us, and we're here for you. We got the best products. Everything's guaranteed. Installation guarantees on everything. Free replacement on window film if you damage it. The warranties cover everything, but there's times where you'll have an accident with something. We cover all that product. Most of the time when clients have an issue with their paint protection film, we usually take care of it for them. That's what we do here. We take care of our clients. We appreciate them, so they appreciate us. So there it is, 23 Porsche Carrera S Cabriolet, full wrap, the best film in the world, Xpel Ultimate Plus's Fusion version. They call it Ultimate Fusion. Still an 8mm film. Car's fully ceramic coated with that product in the film, fully tinted with the Xpel XR Plus. And there it is, another perfect car. Appreciate you guys watching. ClearBrawNorthDallas.com, 940-703-8301 or 214-414, catch up, 3809, extension 0 or 1. Take care. Have a great day.